Hello friends, welcome back. This is Kuldeep here, and today we are going to see that how to get the count of a particular character in a string. Okay, so say like I have one string as the selenium, and I want to get the count of U here. Okay, so here you can see the character U occurred only once, so we can see that the count of U is 1 only. Let's achieve the same with the help of the Java program. Okay, so let me open my Eclipse and let's create one class as char occurrence and select this main method from here, right? Okay, first let's take one string. So I will take one string str equals to learn Java. Okay, and now let's get the length for this particular string. I will simply print out the length of this string, so I will write this is out string length, and as we know, like there is a function that is the length, so I will write the str.length to get the length of this particular string. Let's see what is the length of this string. So simply run as Java application. Okay, so here you can see that the string length is 10 here, right? And now, so say like I want to get the count for j here. Okay, so for that let's create one integer variable. So I will create one integer variable as int count equals to 0. So basically I have created integer variable here and its initial value is 0 here. Let's create one for loop. So I will write the for int I equals to 0, I is less than str dot length and I plus plus. Okay, after that what we need to do, we need to use one if loop. So I will write the if str dot caret I equals to, so I want to get the count for j here, so I will write the j. Okay, and if the character at the particular index is the j here, then simply increment the value of count to 1. So I will write the count plus plus. Okay, and in the last we can simply print out the value of character count. So I will write the char count. Okay, and here we can write the count. Okay, so how the thing will work here, when the loop will execute for the very first time, the value of I is 0 here, and the value of I is less than str.length. Yes, the value of I is less than str.length because the value of string length is 10 here. So control comes inside this loop. Now here it will basically pick the value at the 0th index. Okay, the value at the 0th index is the L here. L is equals to J. No, it's not there. So the value of parent count will not be increased. Okay, for the next time the value of I will be incremented to 1. Now the I becomes 1 and it will see if the character at the first position is the J. If it is J, so then increment the value of count to 1. If it is not J, then again the loop will continue till it has reached to the length of this string. Okay, and as soon as it founds the matching character J at any index, it will increment the value of count to 1, and after that it will print the value of count here. Okay, so now let's execute this program and see that what is the outcome here. I will simply right click and run as Java application. Okay, so here you can see that the count of j is 1. It is clearly visible, the count of j is 1 here. Okay, so let's change it to a here, right? Now the count of a is 3 here. Okay, so here we can see that a occurs for the 3 times. So that is the way you can find out the occurrence of a particular character inside any string. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much.